Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with an unboxing share for Globleland, and I have a few dies that they sent me that I am going to come back with some project shares. Now, I will have the links to all of these dies. I have like 4 dies here that I want to share, and I will have the link to the website and these dies, and also a coupon code, which is happy10, to save 10% off of your order. Okay, so this one right here, I can see it's several pieces, but this is a french fry box, so I can't wait to play with that. One of these french fry boxes has been on my crafty list for a while. Okay, and then the next item is this one here. You can see that number there, but I'll have it linked, okay? And then this one here. Now, this is a box too. I didn't take that out because you can kind of see, it's the french fry box. And there's a lot of pieces. So this one is another box here. So I'm going to figure out how to put these pieces together. But I'm sure you cut 2 of these and 2 of these. And then that's how you put it together. So super excited about this. And you can see it looks like a, really nice size. So I can't wait to play with that one. Okay. And then this one here is, okay, this is another box. Oh, this is actually 2, like a 2-in-1. So when you cut this out, here is your score lines right here. So you're going to like fold it up like this. And it's going to be like a little bag. And then this is going to be the piece, little box piece that you put together. And then you'll put it on the inside there. And then you'll have like a little tote. So that's going to be cute. And then here is one that is like a mini size. And then you just fold these up and then put it together. So, oh, I'm excited about that one as well. These are all really cute boxes. So I think that's what I got this time. They're all like some type of box. And this last one is, it's a lot of pieces. So I'm not really sure how this one is going to look, but I'm going to figure it out, okay? So I'm thinking, so this one looks like you'll cut it out twice too, and then put it together, because this would be the front or back side, and this is the side. So I'm curious, and I can't wait to put that one together, but it looks like you get a lot of extra layering pieces. And look at these long, you could use these for tags, sentiments, or all kinds of goodies. And I know this puts together some kind of box. So I'm excited. So I don't know if these 2 are going to go together or if it's 2 different pieces. I'm going to have to double check, but either way, I will be back with a project share. Okay. So this is my unboxing. I only received 4 dies, and these are really good size dies. So I am going to get to working on some projects. And don't forget to use my coupon code, which is happy10, to save 10%. I will have Globleland's website in the description box with these links. Again, so I'm just reminding y'all that everything will be in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.